cannot do this alone. Sometimes you need software too. And in a world of AI, this is perhaps the best step forward. So instead of using sticky notes and hand-drawn branches, you can choose to script using software. The following section discusses the features and application of GemCellText, a recent version of a popular scriptwriting software, an example of the many that are available. The new version has primarily been developed to equip the user with tools to enable writing for interactive new media formats. The software achieves this by bringing in changes in terms of advanced tools, adding choices for creating multiple strand points of view, and introducing collaborative platforms for writing exercises. GemCellText gives the user the choice to work on different modes: non-fiction, fiction, games, and virtual reality, or even extended reality. Formatting a digital script using GemCellText requires you to create new media stories where a user must choose either the gaming and VR option or create a new project under this mode. This instantly creates a project that has 3 key documents: the script, which is where the writing takes place; the catalog, which functions as a list of assets used while working on the project; the report, which helps in transferring the data to be used in another program, where the project may be accelerated or projected. Now, once a project is created, you can open the script, and this leads the user into a split screen that is divided between a script editor and a story map. The script editor lets you write your story world and its descriptions, the characters, the interactive dialogue choices, new sequences, as well as offers you new branch items. Whereas the story map provides a visual structure of the interactive storyline that is being created. It is basically a visual representation of the narrative in the form of a flowchart. This not only helps guide the navigation, but also makes it easier to add or remove new sequences for interactive storytelling. CellText Gem uses a screenplay form of story writing. One can switch between gameplay, dialogue, characters, and the parenthetical. The story map, however, has a default start mode to which multiple nodes and branches can be added to configure interactive choices offered to the character. New sequences can be created in the story by clicking on the New Sequence tab that helps you to create strands of stories without connecting them together just yet. These new sequences add new nodes to the story map. They may contain a part, one full sequence offering a choice of the story world as well. The points of diversion or choices in the story are visually represented through branches. You can join the existing sequences by using these branches. Branches in a way represent the flow of the story. For example, if you have a default node, start, and 2 sequences titled Room 1 and Room 2, then you may connect them by adding your start node and its branches, which represent the choices that your character has to move between when it goes from one room to the other. The moment the character decides to opt out of the 2 choices given, the character unfolds the story within the chosen sequence. This feature adds to the interactivity of the entire story world. Now, closing thoughts. Scriptwriting for new media is a direct engagement with the sensory potential of modern technology. Scriptwriters may be required to work closely with software developers who can provide feedback on the limits and affordance of a chosen medium. I too learned that by interacting with developers. The paradigm shift that I realized is from conceptualizing audiences as users also involves a deep study of user habits and user experiences. How is a user likely to feel as she or he interacts with your story world? As a result, the idea of drafts is replaced by the idea of prototypes. You build a premise and quickly test if it withstands technical and experiential reviews. To paraphrase the words of filmmaker Ridley Scott, once you crack the script, scratch that prototype, everything else follows. Happy writing! This is all we have for you today, and we hope you enjoyed this session. Till we see you again, thank you once again. Namaskar.